Hi, after watching this video, you'll be able to explain what the study of physics is all about. This is our first physics video lesson on Teacher.co.ke, and my name is Fred Arapto. So let's get started. First and foremost, physics is a science. Yeah, science, the study of living and non-living things. In high schools, science has been broken down into three subjects. That is biology, chemistry, and physics. Biology is the study of the living things, while the non-living things involves chemistry and physics. Apart from physics being a science, we can add and say that physics is an explanation of common things. Yeah, common things. When I say common things, I mean that physics is a study that systemizes our knowledge of the forces and changes about us. In our day-to-day life, we see so many things taking place. For instance, the rainbow. How do you explain the wonderful colors that are formed? When you shout in a hall and you hear back the echo, what really happens? How do you explain that? That's physics. Whenever you're playing outside, you can kick a ball high up, but at the end of the day, it will fall back to earth. So, what is it that pulls objects back to the earth? You have played around with wheelbarrows when you were young. Why is it that it is easier to carry one another in a wheelbarrow than carrying your friends on the back? How do machines work? What causes nights and days? Well, you see a shadow. What causes shadows? What causes eclipses? When you boil water and it changes from being a liquid and then it starts evaporating into a gaseous state, which is steam, how do you explain that? Well, it is a common happening, but what's the explanation behind it? You can walk comfortably when the surface is rough, the road, but when it is muddy, you keep on falling because the floor is slippery. Why? So we can simply say that physics is an explanation of all these common happenings around our surroundings that involves how objects are affected by energy. Now, that brings us to our main question. What is physics? How can we formally define physics? Physics is a branch of science which deals with the study of matter and its relation to energy. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. And on the other hand, energy is the ability to do work. So that branch of science that deals with the study of matter and how it relates to energy is physics. So there you have it, the simple definition of physics. And in our next video lesson, we will talk about the branches of physics. Thank you.